3D-printed food is an emerging technology that utilizes 3D printing techniques to create edible food items in various shapes, sizes, and textures. While there have been significant advancements in 3D printed food, it is still considered a relatively new and developing field. When it comes to taking the cake, 3D printed food can offer unique and creative possibilities for cake decoration and customization. Here are a few examples. Intricate designs. 3D printing allows for the creation of highly intricate and detailed designs that may be challenging to achieve using traditional cake decorating techniques. With a 3D printer, it becomes possible to produce complex shapes, patterns, and textures for cake toppers or decorations. Customized cake toppers. 3D printing enables the production of personalized cake toppers. Whether it's a couple's wedding cake or a birthday cake, individuals can have their own custom-designed cake topper that reflects their unique interests, hobbies, or personalities. Sculptural elements. 3D printing allows for the creation of sculptural elements that can be incorporated into cake designs. For example, it's possible to 3D print edible sugar or chocolate sculptures, figurines, or intricate filigree designs that can be placed on or around the cake. Innovative textures. By manipulating the 3D printing process, it's possible to create unique textures for cake decorations. This could involve producing textured sheets or layers that can be used to add visual interest and depth to the cake's appearance. Complex geometric designs. 3D printing lends itself well to creating geometric shapes and patterns. With this technology, it's possible to produce geometrically precise cake decorations, such as intricate lattice designs or interlocking patterns, that would be challenging to replicate by hand. It's important to note that while 3D printed cake decorations are becoming more accessible, the technology is still evolving, and there may be limitations in terms of taste, texture, and overall quality. Additionally, the availability and affordability of 3D printers capable of producing food items may vary. As the technology progresses, we can expect further innovations and improvements in 3D printed food, including cakes and other culinary creations.